So now we're going to demonstrate creating a new Visual Studio C++ project. So I go to File, New, Project. Sorry, I turned into professor mode with my voice there. Choose Empty Project. That's the one that we want. Visual C++ Empty Project. And then we ought to give it a name that's appropriate. Since this is just a demo, I'm going to call it Demo. Then we have a project here, but we don't have any code in it, so we have to add a C++ file to it. So I'm going to right-click on Source Files and do Add New Item, and I'm making a C++ file now. And I need to give it a name, or I can just leave it Source. But I'm going to call it Demo just like the project name was. And then it comes up blank, and that's where I have to type in that boilerplate. I'm going to upload that boilerplate to our content so that we don't have to type it in each time. But you have to start off with an include statement. And then you have to add that using dev. Have to have that in every program we write. And then we will put the meat of the program here. Good stuff goes here. Like that. Okay. And then when you're done with it, after you run it.
Oh, is that good? Right.
Okay, it worked. I didn't put an E in DL, so it didn't put it on a separate line. I could fix that if I really cared. But now I close the project, close the solution, and I upload it. Now if I want to upload it later, what people want to do is they want to go into the directory where it's stored, Documents, Visual Studio 2013, Projects, Demo. They find the CPP file and they open it. That's great, but you can't run it like that. You can't actually compile it and run it. In order to open it properly, you have to open what's known as the SLN file, the solution file. So you go here, Documents, Visual Studio, Projects, Demo, and you see .sln. That's the file that you open. And that opens everything, not just the CPP file, because there's actually a lot of files that go along with the project. Or, if you're just doing it on the same computer that you were doing it on earlier, then after you launch Visual Studio, you check to see if it's in the recent projects. You go File, Recent Projects, Demo, and then boom, we're back in it.
Gotcha. The CPP is the one we need to turn in.
Correct.
SLN to
Correct.
change it.
Right. Yeah.
Okay. Right.
You got it? Sure thing.
I gotta pull that. So what?